Hi class! So today we're learning about just the basics of polynomials. So this lesson will go over all of the vocab that you'll need to know for the next two lessons, which are adding and subtracting and then multiplying the polynomials. So we have a short little clip for you to watch and then I'll show you how to do what's next.
A polynomial is an expression of more than two algebraic terms, especially the sum of several terms that contain different powers of the same variable. There are three types of polynomials. There are monomials, binomials, and trinomials. What exactly are monomials, binomials, and trinomials? A monomial only has one term, a binomial has two terms, and trinomials have three terms. Now that we have gone over the vocabulary, it's your job to go to Quizlet to review and quiz yourself so that you may gain more knowledge over this vocabulary so you are ready to continue on to the next lesson.
Alright, so now that you finished watching the video, you're going to go up to our classroom website, and if you are at the top of it, it's going to look like this, and you're going to just scroll down until you see this algebra, and then you're going to go over to the Quizlet, and we're just going to do open a new tab, and it's going to take you to the definitions that you need to know, so you can study them like this, or you can use your flashcards, you can write, spell, but I mainly practice it with it in match, and so it's because it's kind of like a game, and so you'll just match them all together. So we have monomial, binomial, and trinomial. That's the type of polynomials. And then it says an expression of more than two algebraic terms, especially the sum of several so that would just be the definition of a polynomial. So let's look. Here it is. You just bring it up. So it's simple as that. So now that you have practiced your vocab, you're going to go on to the next lesson. The next lesson is going to be over adding and subtracting. So I'll see you guys then.